9 and peak hours in the afternoon 5 to 8. And it's also free all weekends and all day weekends and all day holidays. So unlike before na may bayad ng konti, ngayon the President said we must do it free. And more than that, in the past the Love Bus was only in Metro Manila. But the President said we must do it for the entire country. And I think it's very important and symbolic that we are launching it in Visayas and Mindanao. Because the President wants to send a message that while the original Love Bus concept was just for Metro Manila, he wants this in all major cities over. We're very happy. Now we're starting it. And tuloy-tuloy na ito. No? And thanks to Nina for committing that this will be continuously funded. At least during the entire term of the President, the remainder of the term.
How much is the budget for this?
For Cebu, I think we're looking at 125 million a year. No, if you think about it, it's worth it. Worth it because it's a direct benefit for the passengers. Alam mo, kausap namin ng mga pasahero kanina. And they were telling us before when this was not free, for this route alone, it's 30 pesos one way. So 60, can you imagine, no? 60 pesos one day for a worker or a student, no? For maybe a minimum wage earner, ang laking bagay na. It's a huge benefit for our workers, especially also our students. No? So it's really, the President just wants to make the daily commute easier. As we know, it's not an easy commute in our major cities like Cebu. So just giving that benefit, that reprieve of 60 pesos a day for this route, ang laking bagay.
Sek, maybe ba't itong ruta yung napili, sir?
High volume. Dito, I think sa rotang to alone, it's 2,500 per day. Ang sa ibang rota, mas malaki pa doon. No? Yung sa Aurelio to Park Mall, it's even bigger. No? Kasi marami doon estudyante, marami call center agents. So, ang laking tulong pa rin. No? And we're very thankful also to the local government units for this.
Yes, sir.
Regarding po sa budget mo itong review sa Federal Bank, sa ilang 6 na budget?
Yes, kasama na siya sa ating 2026 proposed budget. Meron tayong nakalaan na 1.3 billion para dito next year. So, asahan natin na tuloy-tuloy yung servisyo ng ating Love Bus all over the country.
How many units all in all are we fielding here in Cebu?
Okay. For the Aurelio to Park Mall, it's 111 modern TUV units. For the Talisay to City via SRP, initially 11 units, pero magdadagdag pa.